Hey guys, what is going on? Hope you're all good. Welcome back to the channel, Rich43. Just on a chilling ride home from work. As you can see in the distance, a bit of a sunset going on here. As I'm editing these videos on the Z900, I'm really thinking I need to do something with the exhaust on this bike, because as you obviously can tell, it sounds a bit like a Hoover. It's all good. It's an Acro exhaust add-on, but there's still got the bread box in the middle, the catalytic converter, which is obviously denting the sound a bit. I'm thinking about putting some sort of middle pipe and getting the bread box out, see if that makes a difference, see if it makes it a bit louder. Comment down below, guys, if you've got any comments about that. Yeah, and if you did watch the video before this, a couple of videos before this, I think it was like a vlog style video now if I look back. I said I was going to watch Dune the movie, just to recap on that. It's a pretty good film, to be fair. I've heard a few things, like a few people saying that it's a bit slow to start. I'll see where they're coming from. But it's still a pretty good film. The first hour, I would say, is like getting to know the characters. And then once you get into an hour of it, if you stick with it, it starts getting a bit interesting. It's a pretty cool film, I think. The effects are pretty cool. It's got good actresses and actors in. I mean, I have seen the original one, which is a very old film back in the 80s, I think it was. Don't quote me on that, but that's an old film. And watching the newer version, it's interesting to watch. But they've done a good job on it, I think. If you stick with it, once you get into the first hour of the film, it starts to get a lot more interesting and a bit more action and stuff like that. Comment down below, guys, if you've seen it, if you've seen the old original Dune film, and if you've seen the new one. I'd like to know what you think of it. I thought it was pretty cool, to be fair. Back to the exhaust. Yeah, I really think I'm going to have to do something with this exhaust, have a middle pipe or something, just so I can make it a bit louder, because hearing it on my channel, I can see that it's pretty quiet and I just want it loud. I do hope you're enjoying the content I'm putting out at the minute, the Z900, and obviously all the other stuff on the channel, the models I'm doing, the Titanic, the WWE figures and the Ferrari F40. I've got a lot of other ideas coming as well. As you might have seen if you've looked on the channel, the Back to Future DeLorean. I'm going to talk about that, like what it was like to build and all the stuff it can do. That's coming soon. So yeah, if you do like any of these videos on the channel, the Z900 and all the other videos I've just mentioned, I've got a lot more Z900 content to come for you, hopefully, as long as the weather stays pretty good. Okay, and I'm going to leave it here today, guys, for this little video I'm doing with the Z900 content. I'm going to leave it here, guys. Please like, subscribe, support the channel. See you in the next one. See ya.